Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the running MySQL version and environment, run MySQL version, and identify package source. Next, create a reliable backup. Use Mysql dump all databases all. SQL and validate the dump file size and sample contents. Once done, stop application writes or set the server read-only, disable replication if applicable, and copy CNF plus the data directory. These steps ensure you can restore configuration and data if an update misbehaves. Now you switch to upgrading the software itself. Add the official MySQL repository matching the target version, or confirm your distro's repo contains it. Update package metadata, then install the new server package. For example, apt-get update and an apt-get install MySQL Server 8.0 or yum install MySQL Community Server. During installation, monitor service start logs and watch for errors. After the binaries are in place, run MySQL upgrade or the packaged upgrade tool to adjust system tables and grant tables. This migrates internal schemas so the server operates correctly. Finish by restarting the MySQL service and confirming the running version with select version. In the client, review the error log for warnings. Then run application integration tests and enable writes once queries behave normally. Re-enable replication and monitor slave status. If you detect corruption or functional regressions, stop the server, restore from your Mysql dump, or roll back the package, and inspect /var/log/mysql/error. Log for the immediate failure cause. A common quick fix is to run MySQL upgrade again or restore the previous data and config.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.